do keep things tight at the back. 10 clean sheets this season with a shot from range. Oh. That had Okot at full stretch. Mbokazi. Audacious effort from range there from the 19-year-old. It opens up in front of him. Why not have a goal? Last time he visited this stadium, he scored.
But he gets to the outside of the boot and it slices away. It starts giving away. But it's beautiful. Look at it.
They're two very different type of strikers. Governor Dlamini will look to add a bit of creativity and guile to the midfield. He comes on for talent Mbata. So clearly a tactical change here. William Shongo, you'll just talk us through what they're thinking of Jose Rivero is.
Because of the short passing game, they need Mbokazi, who can play with this back.
And Matiane, the veteran, has cancelled that one out. As Ndlovu is going to be the first to see yellow this afternoon. Langelihle. First player into referee Christopher Casture's book. There's no margin for error now. And it comes! Oh, that's gonna stand! It wasn't the most elegant, but Smisi will take it! It was mistouched by the keeper! And, well, I don't know if it was a defender in front of him as well. It doesn't matter, Pirates have the breakthrough that they need!
Wow, the roar from the stadium even scared the birds. The birds who were tucked in and around the trees behind are flying away. That's just how much this goal meant for a lot of Pirates. They've been knocking on that door, but it's a set piece that maybe the defensive line couldn't deal with it. I'm waiting to see if Sibisi comes from inside the line. That will basically tell the story.
Only his second over the head of Makhaola, and Smisi helps himself to Willem Mofokeng. Can Pirates get a second to put this game to bed? Good defending there from Sihla Makubela.
Yeah, the opportunity was there for Marco to go to ping that ball across, but I think he wanted to clear the defender, but the defender wasn't sold that easily to his intention. In fact, it's not Maxwell, it's always difficult when they are taking place so close.
So that's the change then. Makhaola will not come back on, and Goodman Mosele comes on for his 5th appearance of the season. Scored in his very first match back in his first appearance of the season against Cape Town City, an all-important goal that was as well. Yellow card is gone.
Remain in 6th as well.
In 2nd, rather. Frustrating afternoon for Mukibelo Ramabu. He was really bottled up and kept quiet. Paseka Marco did a really good job. Sweeping ball to find Guvadia. Heavy touch from him.